From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Sunday evening. Many of us getting to sleep in tomorrow morning thanks to the holiday week this week, and it's going to be a good morning to do that as morning lows will start on off in the middle and upper 20s once again. Out there tonight, though, things are calm and clear across the region. A live sky view right now from our Tuscan Tower sky view camera. Again, you can see the city lights here of Lubbock. Current time 10:17, and we are beginning to see those clouds increase across the area. You can notice that here on our satellite flowing from west to east across the area. You can expect those clouds to continue to increase throughout the day on your Monday. We did have a weather system move through later, and I just want to show you this deep low pressure system down near Hattiesburg, Mississippi, moving on off towards the east, brought some strong winds to the southeast today. So if you are traveling that way, could be dealing with some heavy, even potentially flooding rainfall throughout Mississippi, Alabama, and on into Georgia over the next couple of days. But back home, we're going to be dry for the most part. As we go overnight tonight into the morning hours tomorrow, that's when we're going to begin to see those temperatures warm on up. 29 degrees by 8 a.m. and by the afternoon hours, some of us will be approaching 70 degrees. Out there right now, though, live and local temperature data is still showing that it is a little bit on the chilly side. Temperatures still 45 in La Mesa right now. Wind speeds are pretty calm, though, out of the south-southwest around 7 miles an hour. Notice that wind direction, though. That's going to bring in some warmer air over the next couple of days. Here at KAMC, 49 degrees right now. Those winds again at 5, and generally that's what you can expect throughout the remainder of the overnight hours. Winds around 5 to 10 miles an hour. So as we go forward through time, your Monday's going to be nice, but by Christmas Eve here on Tuesday, notice by 3 p.m. in the afternoon, more clouds begin to move on in, and actually a couple of rain showers over western portions of the area. That does indicate we could see a few sprinkles approaching the Lubbock area by 10 o'clock Tuesday night. Not expecting really a whole lot of rain out of the system, but again, we could see a stray shower or two across the region Tuesday night. Now, I was mentioning earlier the fact that we could see some heavier rain later this week, and that's going to arrive after Christmas. On your Christmas day, though, notice we do have some clouds around the area, but no rain. That rain will begin to arrive later in the day on Thursday into your Friday. So this is Thursday evening. Notice we begin to see that green work its way on up into our area. It will cool our temperatures down just a little bit, but not enough to give us any wintry precipitation. So mainly just looks like a heavy rain event, and this could continue all the way on throughout the weekend next weekend. So the last weekend of 2019 looks like it's going to be a pretty soggy one. One of our forecast models, the European model, it's kind of flopped from what it was showing last night. Last night, only around a half an inch, now showing about 1.5 inches of rain with well heavier amounts on off to our east and southeast off of the Cap Rock. The global forecasting system model, the GFS, was showing more last night, and it's kind of backed on off and only shows what the European was showing. So what was kind of becoming more of an issue with these two models is that they keep flopping back and forth. So we're really not seeing a lot of consistency with these models, but just know that we could see some more heavy rainfall move into the region Friday on into the weekend next weekend. Now over the next 5 days, temperature wise, we will slowly begin to cool on down, but tomorrow again going to be our warmest day out of the next 5. Highs approaching the upper 60s and lower 70s, and a warm Christmas day here on Wednesday. Notice that high of 65 degrees. We're going to have a brown Christmas this Christmas. No snow out there, only dust and dirt here in West Texas. High temperatures will approach the middle 60s under a partly cloudy sky, mild and breezy. Those winds exceeding 35 miles an hour out of the west at times. Overnight tonight, though, getting down to the upper 20s, right where we should be for this time of year. A cold winter night, again, with those winds out of the west around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Over the next 7 days, we do have a busy couple of travel days in store for us here across the South Plains. Weather-wise, things look great for that. But again, we could see some heavier rain, Nicolette, as we move into the weekend later on this weekend. Again, right now, only expecting liquid form, not expecting any wintry weather. So that is the good news for people coming back into town there as we head into the weekend next weekend. But a cold day on Saturday, 45, and likely going to see some more showers then. So if you're going to be in town, just stay inside, bundle up. I know Christmas may be over, but watch some more of those Christmas movies just to stay in the holiday spirit. But again, a cold weekend in store for us next weekend.
Hey, Christmas doesn't end for the next few weeks in my head, so you know.
I'm right there with you.
And another thing you're going to have to do for me, you're going to have to forecast the weather in Florida, because I'm going to be heading there in a few days, and I'm excited.
I wish I was forecasting the weather in Florida.
I'm going to have to make you do a little something magic for me.
Maybe work a little harder? Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Jacob.